Subscribe to Ambys vlog and press the bell icon to get notified about the latest video on the
So hello guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel. This is Ambys vlog and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today's video is all about how to reset the service interval which is shown on your dashboard of your Volkswagen cars. So let's see how to do it. So we prefer to service our vehicles at the local garage, and at that time we just forget to reset the service interval on our dashboards. So today's video will help all the Volkswagen owners to reset the service interval which is shown on your dashboards. So let's see how to do it. So first of all, don't turn on your car's ignition and do as follows. So before doing anything or before starting your car, press the set button on the dashboard continuously as shown in the video. After pressing the set button on the dashboard, turn on the ignition of your car and keep in mind don't start the engine of your vehicle. After turning on the ignition, release the set button and press the other button on the dashboard. And that's it. This is how you have successfully reset the service interval on your Volkswagen cars. So let's check whether it's showing up or not. So let me turn on the ignition and see it's gone. There is no service interval indication on your dashboard. As you can see, it will appear here in your cases. So that was it guys. That was the quick video on how to reset the service interval on your Volkswagen cars. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, this is Ambys vlog signing off.